Remember when I introduced you to a wonderful app that helps you assign ICD-10 codes? If memory serves me correctly, we also talked about the CPT app that you have access to if you purchased an official AMA CPT manual. Check out the video here, and I will place a link in the description box. Well, today, my friend, I have another gift for you to add to your coding toolkit. Hey there, come on in and welcome. If you are new here, you don't know me yet, huh? I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, I provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. As a result of my straightforward strategies, tips, and optimistic approach to education and learning, I've transformed hundreds of students to become certified medical coders who have developed dynamic careers in the business of healthcare and are valuable resources in their own right. Consider subscribing to my channel to get the latest and greatest information and tips you need to become a certified marketable medical coder. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of my weekly videos. In this video, we will take a look at an ICD-10-PCS app that may assist you in selecting the accurate code. Let's take a look.
The app is the ICD-10-PCS Lookup by the Coding Institute. I use Apple products, so it is in the App Store. For you Android users, check out Google Play to see if it is offered. Here are the available options: a search, PCS code constructor, ICD-10 range, ICD-10-PCS index, crosswalks, search history, and a place to store your favorite codes. The crosswalk allows you to check out ICD-10-PCS GEM or general equivalent mapping and reimbursement mapping. The index allows you to search alphabetically. The capitalized letter is the first letter in the term. The small letter is the second letter in the term. As you see, you can toggle around for the terms you are seeking. E and C gives these choices. When you place the code in search, such as 5A0920Z, it gives you the 3-digit classification and continues to further specify each element of the code. The PCS code constructor is my favorite piece. You see the 7 elements that make up a PCS code: the section, body system, root operation, body part, approach device, and qualifier. Let's take a look. Section 7 is osteopathic. Select body system and you are given one choice. Select root operations and again, one choice is given. Select the body parts and you're given several choices. Let's select lumbar. Next, select approach. One choice is provided. Then select device. Let's go with general mobilization. And lastly, one choice for qualifier. And there is our code, 7W03X2Z. Osteopathic treatment of lumbar region using general mobilization. Search history shows the code you've searched for, and favorite code stores your favorites. Well, there you have it, the ICD-10-PCS Lookup app by the Coding Institute. Remember, you can't use these in a testing environment, but they will be a great addition to your coding toolkit if you're coding on the go.
You have learned about a tool you can add to your toolbox in the form of an ICD-10-PCS app. You have also learned about its features. Questions of the day. Was this information helpful for you? Also, did you learn something that you can apply today? Did you know about this app? Do you know about other coding apps that have helped you? Share. Let me know your responses in the comments below. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. And if you are interested in more information on these tips and others on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well then check out these videos and check this out.
Are you interested in medical coding, but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder.
If you liked the video, don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are informed every week when I upload new content. I love hearing from you. So let me know you were here by providing a comment or question. You can also give me a little love by sharing this video on your social media platforms. Tag me in your video share at PRN Coding EDU. Let's stay connected and connect others. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care, and thanks so much for watching.